Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is graphing absolute numbers on a number line. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. The first question is graph absolute value of -2. So this is a question given to us. Graph the absolute value of -2. Let's understand what we mean by an absolute number. An absolute number is one where we have a number enclosed within these absolute value bars. These are called as the absolute value bars. Whenever we see these absolute value bars, we ignore the negative sign. That is, the value of this would be positive 2. Also, the absolute of a positive 2 will be positive 2. On a number line, we can say that this is the or how far a number is from 0. So, if we just put this on the number line, I'm drawing a rough one. So since the value of absolute of -2 is a positive 2, the graph would something look like this. That is a hard or a dark dot at a positive 2. We have to be very careful. Whenever we see these bars, then only this is the correct one. If the bars are not there and we have to graph -2, it will be over here. So whenever we have an absolute of a number, the graph would be always be a positive value. So that means this is the correct one. This can be seen in option B. We have to be careful again that we have to see that it is at a positive number, not at the negative as indicated in A. This is incorrect representation of the graph. B is the correct option. Let's move on to the next question. Graph absolute value of 5. So as we saw earlier that the absolute value of a positive number is also a positive number, that is 5. So the graph will be shown at 5 on the number line, that is positive 1, which can be seen in option C. Let's look at the next question. Graph absolute value of -4. So we have the absolute value of -4. We know the value of this is a positive 4 because we ignore the negative sign whenever we see the absolute value bars. So this is a positive 4. Positive 4 is indicated in option C. This is the correct one. I hope graphing absolute numbers on a number line is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.